Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Daniel. Now in this very short video today, I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step procedure or step-by-step method in which you can do a name reservation for your business on CAC. So if you are a businesswoman, you are a businessman, you do business online or offline, this video is very much for you. Now you need to register your business name with CAC in order to make your client feel secured when they are transacting or doing business with you. In that sense, you need to register your business, but before then, your name, you need to look for a particular name you want to use. And if you are even using a name before, you need to make sure that that name is already available to be registered with CAC. So how do you make sure, how do you get that done? First thing you need to do is what? Do name reservation for your business. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can do the proper name reservation for your business registration. But before we go into action, before we dive into action, first, my name is Daniel and this is my YouTube channel. All I do in this YouTube channel is to post things that can make your business online more successful, things that can make your day-to-day activities in your business more easier, and also how to make money online. And if you are the type that love watching videos like this, you can come to my YouTube channel and hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the notification bar in order to get notified anytime I post a video like this. Now, without wasting much of our time, let's go to our website, our CAC website. All you need to do is click on the, I'm going to be dropping a link in the description of this video. All you need to do is click on the link and it will take you here directly. Once it take you here, all you need to do is what? Click on this menu icon here. Just click on it, this menu icon here. So once you click on it, it's going to take you to a place like this. Now if you don't have an account with CAC, you need to what? So like I said, if you don't have an account with CAC, you need to what? Click on the register button, and if you already have an account, you just click on the login button. So indeed, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to log in straight to my account so that I'm not going to waste much of our time. So if you don't know how to register, just drop it in the comment section and I'm going to do a video on how you can what? Register as a business owner on this CAC website. Now I'm going to input my details. I'm going to make use of email and register. Now you can see that I have successfully logged in into my CAC account, and you can see that I have two reserved name already which I have not even registered, and I have one registered name already, which means I have reserved the name. I have also go ahead and what? Apply for the registration, which was what? Approved. You can see now, one thing you need to do is come to this place. Once you want to reserve name, once you have registered, click on this new name reservation. Once you click on new name reservation, no company liability partnership shall be registered under the act by the name or trademark, which is, so you can just go through all this and make sure that your business comply with it. Now the first step, we have four steps in order to what? Make name reservation in this website. One is what? The name you want to use. Now, is it business name you want to register, company name, is it limited partnership or limited liability? So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be choosing business name. Now, specific type of business name, is it sole proprietorship or partnership? Which means the sole proprietorship, you are the owner of the business, while the partnership means maybe you are a co-founder or you partner with someone. So I'm going to be choosing sole proprietorship. Then option one, that means you have the right to choose what? Two name for your business. So let me say I want to use this. That's one. Then I can also use something like this. So you just need to use two names. Select two name, that is, you have two options to choose for. Can you see now? So once I'm done with that, I'll click on save and continue. It's going to save it and I'm going to continue. Now select reason for your reservation. If you want to change your business name, let's say probably you have registered your business name before and you find it, there's a need for you to change your business name, you can select this option as the reason: change of name, group holding or consortium, name substitution, Then you can choose the last one, which is new registration. So I'm going to choose new registration because I'm just registering this business for the first time. I'll click on new registration. The nature of your business. Now we have a lot of business nature here, so just go through it and select where your business fits in. So I'm going to choose educational purpose, select nature of business. Let's see other educational services and consultancy. Let's look for something else. So I can choose educational services and business support development service. I can also choose that also. Now additional trademark, this is not necessary, so you might not put it. All these places you are having, let me show you something. This one you are having star, this red star that you're having like this, make sure you watch, you fill them. They are what, they are necessary. But this one that is not having red star, you can just, it's optional, you can leave it. Then the third one is to preview what you have entered. Can you see? So they'll preview it. This is my name because this was the name and telephone number and everything that was captured during my registration. So make sure that if you are registering your CAC account, make sure you use the perfect details, you use the correct details, because once it has been approved, it won't be changed again. It can't be changed again. Now once you are done with this, just click on save and continue. Once you have confirmed everything, and you go ahead to what, to make a payment of 500 naira using remitter. So it is very, very simple to do. Once you have come to this part, just click on remitter. And you are going to input your details. Click on submit. So once you click on submit, you can pay with your card, you can pay with bank transfer, you transfer to the account number below. You can use a lot of options. So once you make your payment, your business name will be what, will be on a queue. Now let me show you something. Let me just cut it and show you something. Now let me go back to my account. Let me go back to my home, to my dashboard. Now you can see that this is my dashboard. Now this, you can see these are the things you are doing on this dashboard. I have made one name reservation, but it has not been submitted. Once you have submitted, you have made payment, this place not submitted will change to what, pending. That is, it is under pending. They are still checking it. And if it is denied, you are going to see it here that your business name reservation was denied. And if it is approved, you are going to see it under reserved. Now let me see, I have two reserved name already which was approved, but I did not later register them. Can you see? So these are the ones that was approved because I did multiple name reservation, which I just register one. So this, once you have make payment, it will remove from this not submitted to pending. And if it is approved, it come to reserve. If it is not approved, it will come to what, deny. So if you find value in this short video, just go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification button so that you get notified anytime I post a video like this. And you can ask any question in the comment section, which in turn I'm going to reply you. Thank you. Welcome to my channel.